These are very unusual, yeah. The hair loss around the tip of the nostril there. How long? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years?
Maybe. So what's the? Is there any medication for him for that? Or
No, but just that, I just want to know why he did that. I mean, when it started, do you know?
no?
Who knows? Because I'm sure it wasn't like that before. Was it the last 2 years?
Maybe around this year started more to scratch his nose more.
Does he go under the corners of the bed or below the bed?
He's always in the corner, but he doesn't go under because there's no space.
Do you think his nose to go under something?
No, but he likes to use
Rock.
his nose to bore the grass when we walk outside.
Okay, so if you stop that, then it should be okay, you know?
Also, don't let him do that lah.
Yeah, because there's something infecting the part. That's why the hair didn't grow back. You see the hair.
So don't need for any medication,
I
right?
give you some